Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make Windows Troubleshoot your PC's problems for you. Since Windows 7, every version of Windows has built-in troubleshooters. What are troubleshooters? Troubleshooters are small tools that can run on your PC to diagnose and automatically fix common problems, such as network and printer connectivity, Windows updates, video playback, and a lot more. If you're running Windows 10, you'll find them in Settings, Update and Security, and Troubleshoot. Now select the troubleshooter you want to run and click Run Troubleshooter. The troubleshooters should run automatically and fix problems they find. Others may suggest various fixes you could choose and if you want to apply them. Finally, there is no guarantee your problem will be fixed after this task. You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Reilly. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.